Hello beautiful people, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I am Cherry. I do luxury bag unboxing, bag reviews, lifestyle, fashion, and travel videos. So for today's video, I will be unboxing some of these items I got for the holidays. So let's start with this Chanel item. So I got this item from the Chanel sale last week, and I got this from Lindsay of Stylishly Savvy XO on Instagram. She is an SA from Neiman Marcus, and I'll put her Instagram on the description box below. I'm very excited to share this with you guys, so let's start unboxing. So this is the Chanel 35mm chain quilted thong sandals in lambskin and in fuchsia pink, and also this is from the 19K collection. I am normally size 6, but I heard that Chanel sandals run smaller, so I sized up and got the 36.5 instead, and I'm so happy because it fits perfectly. So as you can see guys, this is very pretty. I love the CC logo chain, and I also love quilting here on the insole and on the heels as well. So the sole, the outer sole is made from leather. It feels like a suede leather, so I need to put a sole protector. So this retails for $875 plus tax, and I got it for only $525 plus tax, so that's basically a 40% discount. I'm surprised it didn't come with a dust bag and a care card. I don't know, maybe because I bought it from Neiman Marcus or because it's on sale. So here it is. Here's the closer look guys. So I still have to break it in, so I'll make a review on this in the future. So next, check out my Pochettes. So just keep on watching. So next item is from Gucci. So I've been searching for this item, but it's already sold out and I can't find it on the Gucci website. Luckily, I found Saint Galantine on Instagram, who sells authentic and brand new luxury items. So I'll put her Instagram on the description box below. So let's unbox this. So here it is guys. So it also came with this letter from the seller. It says, "Enjoy your Gucci tights and happy holidays with love, Shein at Saint Galantine." So guys, here she is. So this is the Gucci tights, and I got it in color black and also got it in medium size. So I am 5'5" and I'm 120 pounds, so I got the medium instead to be sure. So this is the elastic waistband, and it says Gucci, and it has this GG logo all over the tights. So this is very stretchy and feels sturdy. It's not like the usual tights that you can only wear once. So I think this will last for a while. This retails for $100 plus tax, but I got this for $160 including shipping. So thanks to Shein from Saint Galantine. The next item is from Louis Vuitton. So this is one of the hard to find SLGs from Louis Vuitton. So I finally scored this hard to find SLGs on the website last week. So I'm so happy and excited to share with you what's inside this Louis Vuitton box. So let's do this. Here it is, guys. Ta-da! So this is the mini pochette accessoire in Damier Azur canvas print. Look at this beauty, guys. It looks very fresh and chic. So this is my very first Damier Azur piece from Louis Vuitton. So this is the zip closure. So we can easily close and open it. And this is the chain with the hook. You can remove it here, but you cannot detach the chain. So this one is made in France. So you cannot remove this chain, but you can add a chain strap so you can also wear it as a crossbody bag. So inside it has this textile lining. So as you can see, it has a single compartment, but it is roomy, so you can perfectly fit many essentials. Damier is a French term for checkerboard, which explains the checkered pattern, and this was the first ever pattern of Louis Vuitton's signature canvas. Damier Azur was launched in 2006 and became the new interpretation of the iconic Damier canvas. Damier Azur has a bluish gray base with a checkered white overlay, which is a perfect casual and chic look. So I would like to thank everyone who participated and joined my first ever giveaway. I really do appreciate your support, guys, so stay tuned for more giveaways. So I listed all the participants on my Excel file with their corresponding number and searched a number generator on Google to generate the winner. So without further ado, the winner for my Chanel Beauty Set giveaway is Esther. Esther is her Instagram handle, and her YouTube channel is penangel04. So congratulations, Esther. So I'll contact her on Instagram to let her know that she is the winner, and I'll get her details so I can send this beautiful Chanel beauty set to her. So, Esther, if you are watching, I will contact you now on Instagram, and you have 24 hours to respond to my message. Again, congratulations to the winner, and to everyone who joined. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for another giveaway. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first one to be notified when I upload my new video.
Start to believe that someone